This is an overview of the lesson for Monday, September 14th. The do now was to set up in your classwork folder a new document titled Week 2 Do Now for all of the do nows this week. The prompt for the do now was to look at this picture and think of 3 or more ways that this picture is like an event from the last 6 months. Write about these in your do now document. And then we shared some. Here are some current events. Think about how the picture might have connected to some of these events, giving words to your events. The learning target for today is to have a basic understanding of the structure of informational texts so that you can find the main idea and supporting details. If you can identify the introduction, the body, and the conclusion, you should be able to use that information to find the main idea and supporting details in a text. For the homework, each student is going to pick from one of 3 articles. So the first article choice is about equality in sports. The second article choice is about equality in school, and the third article is about social equality. Your choice. So here are the options. This article is about the response to the event of police shooting Jacob Blake on August 23rd, 2020. A quotation from the article says, "Guys are really coming together and speaking and seeing real change. Guys are tired. When I say tired, I don't mean physically tired. We're tired of seeing the same thing over and over again." Another choice is about high school students demanding more Black history and more Black authors. This article is about what students are doing to make change. One quotation from the article is, "The need for improved education on America's racist past and a more thoughtful consideration of its present, experts agree, is very real." The final choice is about social equality, and it is about a New York movement organized to support the Black Lives Matter movement. And one quotation from that is that normal has been a thing that has pressed so many bodies for so many years. This is a revolution, and we can't go back to normal. So students get to choose one of those articles. And now I'm going to show you how to find those articles on Canvas. On Canvas, you will go to the week at a glance and click on the lesson for this day. It will take you to the lesson page for the day. From there, you will see the learning targets and success criteria. The 3 article choices are right here. You can click on the magnifying glass to view it inside Canvas. The document will pop up. You can also click on and save as to save a document to your Google file. The homework for this is to annotate or thoroughly read the article, annotate if possible, and then in your Google Drive, in your 10th grade folder, you will find and open up, not find, you will open and create a homework document in the classwork and practice section of your notebook. And the prompt for that is to write a CER about how, explain the author's purpose in writing and how the author accomplished it, using specific examples from the text to support your ideas.